The number of customers at Yummy Smoothies varies throughout the day. During the lunch rush on Saturday, there were 120 customers. So at lunch, there were 120 customers. The number of customers at Yummy Smoothie during dinner time was 10 customers. Was 10 customers fewer than during breakfast. So dinner is 10 less than breakfast. The number of customers at Yummy Smoothie during the lunch was 3 times as many during breakfast. So at lunch was 3 times the breakfast amount. How many people were at Yummy Smoothie during breakfast? How many were there during dinner? Let D represent the number of customers during dinner. D is dinner and B stands for breakfast. So we're going to make a tape diagram that represents lunch. Lunch has 3 times as many people were there at breakfast. So we need 3 pieces that say B. But we also know there were 120 customers here during lunch. If 3 times as many people showed up for lunch as there were at breakfast, how many people would there be for breakfast? What number, when we multiply it by 3, gives us 120? We can work backwards by dividing 120 by 3, and we'll find out that each B should be worth 40 people. Okay, so we know breakfast has 40 people. But we also want to know how many people were there during dinner. And it says dinner is 10 less than B. Okay, so here's B, but we need to take 10 out of it. This whole piece is represented by B, and we know B is equal to 40. So for dinner, if we remove 10 from 40, we would get that there were 30 people at dinner. So 30 at dinner, 40 at breakfast, and 120 at lunch.